I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to add your bank account to the Affirm app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon or the settings gear, usually located in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Tap on Add Bank Account. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check these numbers to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy and then tap Confirm or Save. You should receive a confirmation message once the bank account is successfully added. If you encounter any issues, make sure your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection can cause problems during the setup. I hope this helps you add your bank to the Affirm app smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.